As I promised, today is about review. Our test is next class, so I wanted to go over some of the topics that we will be seeing on this assessment. Back to expressions, both the verbal, numeric, and algebraic. We'll do some simplifying using order of operations and the left to right rule. We'll evaluate the algebraic expressions when I give you values of the variables. And then we'll go into integers, knowing the opposites, the absolute value, comparing, and of course the addition, subtraction. Before we get into the review, here's a quick question. 3 of the 4 expressions have the same value. Which one has a different value? Try this one out, and I'll reveal the answer in class today. For the review, I'm going to do 1 or 2 of each of the types of problems that were listed on the first slide. And I'm going to ask you to copy these down and either simplify, translate, or evaluate. And once again, you will help me share the answers in our Zoom session today. So stop and pause the video and try these out. Now on to our next set. In numbers 6 through 11, we're looking at absolute value, comparing with a less than or equal to sign, and naming an opposite. Don't forget absolute value is a number's distance from 0, and distance is always positive. Once again, copy these and see how you do. The last group of problems that I have here involve our operations of subtraction and addition of integers. Reminder that when you're adding and the signs are the same, just add and keep the sign. If the signs are unlike, you'll subtract and keep the sign of the greater absolute value. Don't forget when you're subtracting that the rule says to just add the opposite, so you keep the first term and add the opposite of the second. Once again, try numbers 12 through 19, and you'll help me provide the answers in our session. Hopefully you get a chance to try them out before. If not, we'll do them together during our live session. So I'll see you in class.